One of our clients reached out to us if we can customize their staircases, and this video will take you through our factory to show you how we produce staircases. Skilled worker is using a sanding machine to make the surface much smooth. With me is a detailed drawing that our customer sent to us, and we're inspecting to make sure that all the measurements are correct. We have the glasses that we use. You can either use a template glass according to your customization with the different types of sizes. Before the staircase is shipped out to a customer, we make sure that we pre-assemble it in our factory to make sure that all that we put together is assembled perfectly. As you can see now, the staircase has come to life. It looks amazing and beautiful. When it comes to the handrail, we have different types of handrails. We have the round handrail, and then over here we have the square handrail. That's it for today in our video. As you can see, we have different types of handrails that we can produce. Remember to support our company, and if you have any comment, leave a comment on the comment section.
Okay.